So the next item we'll look at is the ICD-10 codes. So from the left-hand side, under administrative data, you click on ICD-10 codes. Now, the simplest way of doing this is to download the current ICD-10 codes from the internet and then into Excel, and then you can import it from here. You can import it from here. So you click here to select the Excel file. So you go into your files, and then you can pick an Excel file, and then you click on import. You can also check this update existing codes if found, skip rows with errors, and continue. So those are the options you can add. So once you click import, it will be imported this way for you. And then you have all of them. Because it's a lot, it will be difficult for you to enter it one by one. But in case you want to just add an item, you can just come to the top right corner and then you click on new ICD-10 code. Then you enter the code, enter the description, and then you select the severity, and then you make it active or inactive or deprecated, which means they are no longer using it. Once that is done, you click on save for it to save, and then it will add up to this. When you scroll down, see that there are pages, so you can click on next page to display the next one, and on and on and on to the last page. So basically, that is ICD-10 codes. If you want to delete, you click on delete to delete. If you want to edit, you click on the edit to make changes, and that is how it is. So that is how you add ICD-10 codes.